Arr! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to School of Gold. Today, we are focusing on pirates. Are you ready for our quiz? So please write the numbers 1 to 10 in your book. Are you ready? Now, I'm going to say the question and then the answer. So please, pause your computer, your iPad or your phone so it gives you time to think. Are you ready? Here we go. The pirate had to travel 1,000 meters, which is a kilometer. How many centimeters does he travel? A kilometer, how many centimeters? Well, there are 1,000 meters in a kilometer. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. So write 1,000 down, add an extra 2 zeros, and it comes to 100,000 centimeters are in a kilometer. Question 2. A pirate departed at 11:40 a.m. and arrived at the destination at 15:30. How long was the pirate away for? 11:40 to 15:30. It is 3 hours and 50 minutes. 3 hours and 50 minutes. Question 3. A pirate was traveling on the boat, the pirate ship. It was very cold, and the pirate got pushed over into the cold, icy ocean. What did that pirate get? It is hypothermia. And what does hypothermia mean? Very, very low body temperature. The average body temperature is roughly between 37 to 38 degrees. Hypothermia just means low body temperature, and it normally is 34, 35 degrees. It only takes 2 degrees to get it lower to hypothermia, and upwards is hyperthermia, which is about 39, 40 degrees. Question 4. If you're on a boat, a pirate was on a boat for many, many years and didn't have much vitamin C. What is that disease called? It is called, starts with S, ends in V, scurvy. Well done. Scurvy is the lack of vitamin C. Question 5. My Australian viewers will know this. Who captained the First Fleet? What was his name? Who captained the First Fleet? And the man is Captain Arthur Phillip. If you wrote Captain Cook, you will be wrong, because he circumnavigated Australia and found Australia, but Captain Arthur Phillip came here on the First Fleet. Question 6. Name 2 circumnavigators or 2 explorers around the world. Now, I've just said one, Captain Cook. What would another one be? Now, there's a few Spanish explorers. They are called Ferdinand Magellan, or the very famous one called Christopher Columbus. Now, there are lots of different explorers. If you wrote another explorer, you will be correct. But double check with your teacher, your parents, or even Google. Question 7. Back in the olden days on a pirate ship, you didn't have a mobile phone. You couldn't go on your iPad to check out maps. Write the tool that told you the direction of where you are going. I'll give you a clue. North, south, east, west. Never eat soggy Rick Beaks, and the tool is Starts with C. Compass. A compass. Question 8. What does the mean starboard mean on a boat? If a pirate said, all aboard, go to starboard, what does that mean? And some of you will know this because if you play a sports game, you will know. Starboard just means the right-hand side of the boat. The right-hand side. Question 9. A circumnavigator's job is to travel on the boat all across the seas and the oceans of the world. But they need to know the 7 continents of the world. So, what are the 7 continents of the world? Are you ready? Clue. Australia is one of them. Below Australia is Antarctica, is another one. We have North America, which has United States of America in, and some parts of Canada. You also have South America, which has Argentina, Brazil, and a lot of various countries. You have Europe, which has France, Germany, England. You have Asia, which has China, Japan, Vietnam. You have Africa, which has South Africa, Zimbabwe, and a lot of other various countries in. So, let's go through it. Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America. Are we missing one? Europe. Alright, here we go. The last one is, what is the largest country in the world by land? Not by population. By population, it is China. But what is the biggest, the largest country in the world by land? And give you a clue, it goes through a few continents as well. It is Russia. Russia. Now, what did one pirate tried to call another pirate, but didn't answer. Why? Because he left the phone off the hook. Left the phone off the hook. Boys and girls, hope that has helped, and bye for now.